Hello everyone, welcome to lawminds. This is Vanaja Bhumireddy. In this video, I am going to discuss about the concept of use of technology in law enforcement. Before going to the use of technology in law enforcement, I want to give you a brief introduction about technology. Technological development has secured a mirror place in the world today. Its development has speeded into various domains of human life, and the legal discipline is no exception to this common phenomena. It can then conveniently be said that technology has now become the edifice of democratic polity. Has the unprecedented COVID 19 pandemic meddled with everyday lives of billions of people across the world? The globe turned into a remote world which could only be run by technology. In this aftermath, the utility of technology has become all the more palpable. It is now important for us to examine as to how technology has been impactful in the process of law enforcement. Yeah, we all know that the total present world is dependent upon the technology. Technology is the main essential element of the present world. Without technology, there is no present world. Coming to the next topic, what is technology in law enforcement used for? Technology in law enforcement refers to the use of advancing computer and robotic systems that can help police officers be more effective while performing their duties. This can include devices that police officers can use to better identify people and record details of interactions. There is also law enforcement technology that can assist the police in predicting and preventing crime. Many police officers already use common technologies like computer in their cruisers and body cameras to record their interactions with the citizens and suspects. I will give examples of technology in law enforcement. Depending on the specific type of law enforcement professional, they may use different types of technology to aid with their responsibilities. Here are some types of technology used in law enforcement. The first one is robotic cameras. Police officers can use robotic cameras to gather information without placing themselves in the situations. For example, a throwball rolling or flying robotic camera can provide officers with visual and audio information from a scene before the officers intervene. The second one is recognition technology. There is software that can identify several aspects of a person, including their face and voice. This recognition technology can help law enforcement track criminals and discover their location without being physically present. And the third one is short locating sensors. A short locating sensor system works within area by tracking the sounds and altering law enforcement when weapons fire. This can help law enforcement identify exactly where a shot took place and provide assistance at the scene. And the fourth one is thermal imaging. Thermal imaging is a technology that functions by gathering information based on temperature. Law enforcement professionals can use this technology to learn more about a situation even without a clear visual. And the next one is body cameras. Body cameras are recording devices that police can wear to keep themselves and others safe during interactions. Gathering video evidence of altercations can help law enforcement and prosecutors provide detailed evidence of what took place during a situation. And the next one is advantages and disadvantages. Each and everything has two aspects. Technology has proved to be a boon for the police and has strengthened it in criminal investigation. But we cannot overlook the challenges it has posed as well. A strong relationship between technology and police would lead to a speedy criminal investigation, would hugely prevent crimes, would be helpful to maintain law and order. Technology has reduced manual work to a great extent and digitized data, which makes it easier to access older files and understand the history of a criminal or accused. Even social media has played a role in knowing the background of a person. The whole process of criminal investigation has now become more transparent because of the advent of technology. Technology also creates an interface between the public and the police. It helps the police to protect the life and property of the public. The public can easily and effectively communicate their complaints to the police. However, technology has also been highly misused and has negatively affected a case. The media has been considered the fourth pillar of democracy. However, the recent rise in media trials has started adversely affecting the cases. They go out of their domain and start excessive reporting by approaching the victims or the accused family and publish it without giving much focus to verification. The court's mind tends to get prejudiced because of such news and headlines. It has been observed that Technology has also increased the breach of privacy. The excessive use of technology in criminal investigations has also led to a situation where police get into personal information not relevant to the investigation. During the investigation, the investigators should focus on the information they are targeting. If there is a development of new technology that will help in deeper investigation but might also lead to a greater possibility of intrusion of privacy, then it should be made sure that investigators are complying with the strict requirements. And the next topic is issues and challenges faced by the technology. Technology has been evolving rapidly, and along with it, the association of technology and policy in criminal investigation has been growing as well. However, even after so many technologies being used, there is no proper legislation to regulate the relationship. In the absence of laws to regulate and specify the procedure for the use of technology, it is left to the police itself as to how this can be used. Technology is being updated every day with the changing of technology. The police department need to upgrade. However, the technologies are expensive and changing them every now and then would lead to huge expenditure. There needs to be proper training of the officials for efficient handling of the equipment, thus leading to further expenses. I want to conclude that in the present era, we cannot imagine a day without the appropriate technology. It is a dire requirement even in the criminal investigation by the police that new technologies be incorporated. Many technologies are already in use but constant upgradation is required. Technology has been a boon, but there have been instances where gross misuses of these technologies has been carried out. For the prevention of such instances, it is imperative to formulate legislation. Technologies are costly and therefore we should focus on the research and development in our own country. I hope you guys are understand the concept of use of technology in law enforcement. Thank you.